His condition is critical. We need to monitor him closely.
Bill Gothard, the disgraced founder of the Institute in Basic Life Principles, has reportedly suffered a heart attack and is now in a coma. Posts from a private Facebook group for his supporters confirm the medical emergency, though no official statement has been released. Gothard, 91, leaves behind a complicated legacy, one that shaped thousands of families, fueled movements like the Duggar dynasty, and left survivors grappling with trauma.
Today, we're not just reporting on a man's health crisis. We're examining the shadow of his teachings and the lasting impact of IBLP.
Posts in the Friends of Mr. G Facebook group ask for urgent prayer, confirming Gothard's condition. Ryan Stoller, an advocate for abuse survivors, shared screenshots of these posts. No official hospital details or family statements have been released. Supporters are treating the news as fact, while critics remain cautious until independent confirmation.
Who was Bill Gothard? He founded IBLP in 1961. He promoted homeschooling and rigid family hierarchies, and the umbrella of authority.
Warned against television, dating, alcohol, mainstream music, and public schools. His teachings influenced families like the Duggars and the Bates, embedding his ideology into American fundamentalist culture. The fall from grace. In 2014, more than 30 women accused Gothard of sexual harassment and inappropriate conduct. He resigned from IBLP that same year. An internal investigation found he acted inappropriately, though no criminal charges were filed. Gothard admitted in a deleted statement,
"My actions of holding hands, hugs, and touching of feet or hair with young ladies crossed the boundaries of discretion and were wrong."
Amazon Prime's 2023 docuseries Shiny Happy People reignited public interest. Former members described authoritarianism, spiritual abuse, and cult-like practices. Survivors continue to push lawsuits against IBLP using frameworks similar to those applied in Catholic Church abuse cases. Gothard's reported coma leaves many survivors fearing justice may never be fully served.
Jinger Duggar has spoken openly about leaving IBLP teachings. She described how Gothard's ideology pressured women to keep husbands happy at all costs, leaving her afraid to express opinions.
Her husband, Jeremy Volo, helped her disentangle unhealthy submission teachings. Jinger now warns that Gothard's teachings distorted scripture and fostered fear rather than faith, the lingering legacy. Even if Gothard passes away, his ideology persists. Families raised under IBLP in the 90s and 2000s are now raising their own children with the same principles. Survivors argue that dismantling the system is more important than focusing on the man. His death would mark the end of his personal influence, but not the end of the movement. Bill Gothard's reported coma is not just a medical update, it's a reminder of the unresolved trauma tied to his teachings. Supporters may remember him as a misunderstood leader. Survivors will remember broken lives and systemic harm. As the world watches, the question remains, how do we support those still living in the wake of IBLP's shadow? The story of Bill Gothard is not just about a man in a hospital bed, it's about the lasting damage of authoritarian religion and the resilience of those who broke free.
Stay tuned for updates as more information becomes available. And remember, behind every headline are real people, real survivors, and real stories that deserve to be heard. Subscribe to our channel.